you have joined me, Bev, and I am from Inkwell, and this is the second of two videos from this week. We are in partnership with Pride this week, and so the two videos I've made for you guys are based around rainbows. Now you may have already seen my other video. We made rainbow paper using nail polish. This video is making rainbows using shaving foam. So that's what you'll need. You'll also need some liquid paints, poster paints, anything you can find around the house. You're also going to need some paper, and you're going to need some kind of tray. Now this is just a small baking tray. Maybe you've got some other types of trays laying around the house. Just make sure you double check that you're allowed to use them first. Poster paints wash off quite easily, and so does the shaving foam. So I'll just bang this in the dishwasher afterwards. So what we're going to do is to spray some shaving foam into here and then create a rainbow picture using our paints. So give your shaving foam a good shake, and then spray that into the bottom of your tray. Make sure it's all covered. About that I'd probably do. And then you want to make a nice rainbow shape then on here with your paints. Okay, so I have my rainbow here. And then comes the fun bit. It's also a little bit messy. Ideally you'll have your paper cut to about the size of the tray that you've got. And you just place that over the top and peel it off. Just pop another piece of paper underneath so that you don't spoil the table that you're working on. And then you'll need a piece of card. Now this piece of card then is to scrape off the excess. I'm just going to wipe the excess off then onto another piece of paper that I've got down here at the side. So this is our first rainbow, but then you just keep on going. You can get loads and loads of prints from one tray's worth. So just keep on printing here. So again, just pop your paper in the tray. And you can scrape any way you like. So we'll go diagonally this time. Sometimes that affects the way that the paper is sat, the ink is sat in the paper. So, and you can see on this one that the ink is sat a little bit differently on there. So once you've taken some prints from your tray and you think that you probably can't get many more, if you've been wiping your shaving foam onto a piece of paper like I have, then what you can do is take prints from that piece of paper. And you get these lovely mottled effects here. And then these bits then, I mean, you could use them to cut up and put on gift cards like I did with the nail polish pictures that we did. Okie dokie, so I hope you've had fun with that one. Here are a couple of examples of mine. This one is from the rainbow tray that we made, and this one is just from the scrapings that were left over from having taken the paint and the shaving foam off. Bit of a messy challenge, like to get a little bit messy sometimes. I hope you've enjoyed this session anyway, and that you have a good Pride week. Thanks for joining me, and take care of yourselves. Bye.